This is Leelavati from Besant Technologies, Electronic City. Today we are going to see the success story of our students Assam from. He is from Uttar Pradesh. He has completed network and cloud course in Besant Technology, Electronic City. Now he got placed as a network engineer.
Hello, I am Zakir Khan and I am from Varanasi. I have done graduation in Bachelor of Engineering CA Computer Science in 2019-2023 batch, and I have done the course of CCNA from the Besant Institute that is in Bangalore, Niladri, Electronicity Phase 1. And I am very glad and very keen to say about it that I get a job in a reputed company that is having a rating of 4.7, as the company name is Techneo Global System Private Limited Company. Through the institute only, because of their very experienced and vastly knowledge, experienced instructors who helped me to get knowledge about the course, as well as they have provided each and every time they have helped me, and they have provided all the information, all the information and all the interview setup. And I am gladly thankful to the Besant Institute to kindly providing my first step of to successful career.